Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of the video I posted yesterday. I told you guys I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful eyeshadow. So let's get to it. I would like you to take your seats and then pay more attention because I want you to understand what I did here. Yeah, so I'm applying my clown white. This is my eyeshadow base. Yes, so I am applying it, blending it gently, gently, not too much, not too small. And I also blended out the edges to avoid harsh lines. Yes, because I don't want any harsh lines. I want my look, I love my makeup looking perfect. Yeah. So after that, I went in with a brown transition. I love to transition my eye look with a brown shade. I do not use pink, I don't use orange. I just love using brown. So I used it little. Don't forget, do not pack too much product at a time. So build your eyeshadow base, like build your eyeshadow until it gives you what you want. You can see I'm now going in with a darker brown, and I'm not taking it to the inner corner of our eye. I'm starting from the outer corner of our eye, okay, the outer corner of our eyelid, gently to maybe halfway of the eye. Just look at that. I blended it out. Gently. I kept on building the eyeshadow because I do not want any harsh lines. So after giving the eye a depth, I went in with the gold shimmery shade from my Art eyeshadow palette. I applied it gently, and look at that. This is actually a shimmery shade from my Art eyeshadow palette. So I used gold pigment from MK Beauty to pop the inner eye just a little bit for our birthday party. Yes, and then I went in with the same MK Beauty pigment on the eyelid. I went in with another glitters just to pop it a little bit because this is for a birthday party and it's going to turn heads. Like, people need to stare. Do you get? And all of that, it still came out beautiful. I love this. I love the eye look already. So after that, I dust off the pigment, the fallen pigment on her face, and that is it. If you're yet to watch the full tutorial, I'll leave the link up here. I promise you're not going to regret it because I gave in my all. Like, you guys know me, I always come with the latest update. So this is what we have, and I love this look. Let me know which of these hair fits are the most because we're just confused. I hope you found this helpful. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.